Everybody. I hope we're enjoying our day. Today is the 2nd of October 2024. We are getting closer to our NFP, that is non-farm payroll. And by 1:15 p.m., we are expecting ADP non-farm payroll, which is also another high impact news that's coming out today by 1:15 p.m. So ADP non-farm payroll. This news entails automatic data processing. This news is estimated change in number of employed people during the previous month, excluding farming industry and government agencies. Okay, so numbers of what? Total number of estimated change in number of employed people during the previous month. So this is the non-farm payroll. It's coming out by 1:15 p.m. and it's also a very, very high impact news. So what are we expecting? As usual, if the forecast is greater than if the actual is greater than the forecast, this is the actual here, and it's written in green color, just like this, we are going to have strong positive movement for United States dollar. So we're looking forward to more bullish sentiment for dollar. But if it comes out negative, probably red or something, then we expect bearish sentiment for dollar. So these two informations are highly important and we all should take note of it. We should also look at it and also plan to use it to trade with caution. So by 1:15, which is in the next 30 minutes from now, we could have the ADP non-farm payroll. Okay, the ADP employment non-farm employment change. So this is just the number of this is not the number of this is the number of employed workers. So if it is greater than the forecast, it means that dollar will be very, very strong. So what is your bias? Let's look at the charts to look at our bias and also look at what we are expecting for ADP non-farm payroll. Okay, so this is USDX, and I'm going to start with daily time frame. Okay, so just like I said yesterday, I'm anticipating a very strong bullish sentiment as dollar has been unable to break this level, 996,969 region, and we closed yesterday with a very, very strong bullish candle. Although we are at this present resistance zone, and we are having some sort of rejection at this market credit resistance zone, but it's so glaring that we've broken a high number of structures at this zone. So what am I expecting? Two things. We could either continue buying dollar, from here, right? While dollar move to the upside, because 1 hour time frame, we've seen multiple of rejections and market broke on this high, and this could be a short retracement and price move to the upside. So we could either continue buying dollar up to the next resistance, which is around 101.724. I mean, what I'm expecting, I think dollar is trying to continue its bullish sentiment. Would expect some bullish sentiment or bullish continuations for dollar. So two things, or price retrace down to 100.695 before continue moving to the upside. But nevertheless, what I would love to say from high chance to perfection is I look forward to buy dollar as market has rejected this level. Market has rejected this level, right? So let's see what will happen around here. Once the rejection is here, then we can think of buying USDX. So let's look at our currency. Our anticipations, we could have a clear pattern for dollar on other pairs. Look at USD Like I said, USD has shown us strong bullish sentiment, and when we are having strong bullish sentiment on USD we could probably have a retracement from here, 0.84636 region, before continuing moving to the upside. Okay, so I'm very, very bullish on USCHF. I'm very, very bullish on USCHF. So where are the areas I'll look forward to? Um, where are the areas I'll look forward to probably for bullish confirmations? Well, if the news comes out positive for dollar, right? I repeat, if the news comes out positive for dollar, we could have much more continuations to the upside. Although we have a rejection at this resistance level, we only need this current candle to close bullish before we think of buying USD CHF. Although the pattern is not yet clear for me because we are still at this zone, right? We are still at this resistance, which is this leg that created this move. So if the news come out negative, we could look towards selling 0.84789, and it comes out positive, we continue buying 0.7489. But my bias currently, I will be bullish for USD CHF. So I'm very bullish for USDHF, but let's see hope for whatever we happen in the market. So 0.84789, this level is the key level zones and the strong support level that we are looking towards as we have a rejection here. You can see market tap into this level, resistance become support, breaks it and rejected alongside these levels also, right? So we've had a break of this level. We could probably have a short retracement and market move to the upside. Okay, so let's look at USD CAD. The USD CAD on the daily time frame, USD CAD on the daily time frame, I'm still looking towards this level, right? And we yesterday kind of closes bearish. So we are at this strong support zone, which is 1.34688 region. If market could not break that level, then we look towards buying USD CAD. Okay, so if market does not break 1.34488, then we look to buying USD CAD. So, but currently the direction is still bearish. The order of flow is still bearish. We are at this support zone. We are at this support zone. I would love to see buyers coming up from this market and hopefully breaking out this high. So once price break out this high, right, and look forward to buy USD CAD. That's my bias on USD CAD. Okay, I'm a bias on USD CAD. So I'll wait. I'll watch and wait to I see market rejections, market reactions before I enter into the market. Okay, so 15 minutes time frame. Let's see. I'm still there. My high is still at 1.34855. And although it's supposed to be a very, very strong resistance zone, but because of market sentiment, because of what dollar is doing, we could have bullish sentiment from here. So if you are like the next few minutes now, if you want to buy USD CAD, I think after a break at this 1.34882 would be the best place to buy USD CAD. Okay, so we've done USCHF, we've done USD CAD. Let's go to some anti-dollar pair. We start with GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD, we had a rejection of price yesterday. So market rejected this SRR level, support on resistance zone. rejected here, right? And we could hopefully have probably a retracement and probably my price moves to the downside. So these are the zones where I will look forward to some bearish scenarios. Okay. Also around here as well. So I'm not convinced about this buy. I'm not seeing a very good buy setup, but I hope to see a proper retracement up to 1.33150 and 1.33860 before I see sellers coming into this market. So we didn't have a clear breakout, well, this could be a retracement for price moves to the top. Well, like I said, the news coming up in 15 minutes time. Is it 15? And it's 25 minutes to this time. If it favors dollar, then we could continue selling, right? But if it does not favor dollar, then we buy from this side. Okay, so we buy um and all probably check out this level or probably these zones before we see sellers coming in because GBP USD has formed a very, very strong reversal pattern at a high resistance level. GBP has strong, very strong reversal pattern at a very, very high resistance level. So I am not fully convinced about the entry at the moment. I'm not fully convinced about any entry. Although if I'm seeing some bullish sentiment, some bullish build up, but I am not totally convinced about that. I'm not totally convinced about that. So I would just say we should wait probably till after the news or market, or let's just observe to see. So to see what the market will do. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD. So for Euro USD also, we're looking towards probably market rejections. Okay, so 1.10701, 1.10701 for hours time frame. I think Euro USD, I think these are setting up for a good buy. I think Euro USD is setting up for a good buy with that confirmation I just saw. And we have market reacting at this level. Okay, so market has created a break of structure, retested this. I think we can use a buy stop order for Euro USD. Buy stop above here, stop loss here. CP1, CP2. Okay, so Euro USD, let's take this trade. Buy stop. Please apply proper risk at 1.10794 SL 1.1571 CP1 1.11047 CP2 1.19429. Okay, so let's take it straight. I want to write it. fund a client group. I said buy stop. If you want to buy now, you can buy now. But I'm giving a buy stop order, not an instant entry. Okay. Let's do a gold. Okay, so let's look at gold. Now let's look at gold. Okay, now looking at gold daily time frame, we closed bearish and rejected at this SNR. So for me to completely take a total sell, 2632 region will be my take profit target. And we have a rejection at this resistance level twice. And I think my head will go down to 26232 region. And also I'm having another S&R rejection here, which could lead to one of the things, but there's this in 15 minutes. So I'll love to see what might literally happen for gold. Okay, so gold, I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to give a signal on gold because in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to have I'm going to have the news coming up for Euro USD. I mean for dollar, that's ADP non-farm payroll. Okay, so for gold, I would love to see probably bearish sentiment. We've had a rejection at this SNL level, and price could continue moving to the downside. Okay. Okay, so let's see what will happen before the news. My target 2646. Market has already moved, so there's nothing I can do at that point. And We just have to wait for the next opportunity. Okay, so we're done for this last analysis. In the next 15 minutes, it's going to have news. Let's quickly look at to recap of what we did this afternoon. USD card, I said that I'm looking forward to price break 1.3482 before I confirm my bias for a buy. And also USD CHF, ESCHF also, market rejecting this level, and we are having some sort of sellers coming in through to this market. So what am I looking at? Let's hope to see, because this is a very, very strong resistance, and 0.8472 market seems to probably, obey it. But one thing I want us to understand is this could be a retracement, and market reject at 0.84636. You never can tell. So there's news in the next 14 minutes, and I don't want us to get caught up. I dropped a signal on buy stop for Euro USD. Let's see how it plays out. The last one, I want to look at BTC. Okay, DJ30 and Bitcoin. BTC. Okay, we have resistance at daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. Market moving down to classic. Okay, daily rejection, and I'd love to say that Bitcoin could continue its downward movement. Bitcoin could continue its downward movement. So we still need to be very, very patient for the market to react. So Bitcoin continues downward movement. We see Bitcoin below 60,000, probably due to the news fundamentals going on. But with what I'm seeing, I don't think I'm seeing buyers coming into Bitcoin. I think probably around 56,000. Let's see. Hopefully here, because it's an obstacle, 59,785. And we just need to be patient. Okay, we just need to be patient. Let's see what will happen for the ADP non-farm payroll. But my bias on gold BTC could be very bearish, and my bias on anti-dollar and dollar could be very, very bullish and all that. So I gave a signal buy stop on Euro USD. So let's see what will happen at the end of the day. Have a trading day. Please apply proper risk management. This is the end of the month.
Dow Jones, please. Dow Jones.
Okay, Dow Jones. Yeah. So Dow Jones. Okay. Okay, so Dow Jones, strong resistance. Market, it's at the strong resistance, and we have resistance here, right? And there's high possibility of we going up for Dow Jones. So there's high possibility of we going up for Dow Jones. Okay, so let's see. We did not have a break of this low. We now have a low break of this major low, right? So I would say we are in a retracement space, or probably price might continue moving to the top side. So Dow Jones price could retrace up to 42,997 points before selling. So we could have a buy to sell scenario for Dow Jones. So we could have a buy to sell scenario for Dow Jones. Okay, buy to sell means a retracement and market continue moving to the downside for Dow Jones.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading session. By 1:15, I dropped a signal Please let us apply proper risk management and all that. Have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Thank you very much.